Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best makeup palette is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools in any makeup enthusiast's collection, offering a spectrum of shades and finishes designed to create countless looks, from subtle everyday glam to dramatic evening transformations, making it a must-have for both beginners and seasoned artists alike. Number 5. Aesthetica Cosmetics Cream Contour and Highlight Kit. Discover the secret to sculpted features with our cream contour and highlighting kit. It's designed to effortlessly define and enhance your natural beauty. Embrace ethical beauty with a product that's both vegan and cruelty-free. You can feel good about looking great, knowing no animals were harmed. Never contoured before? No problem. Our kit includes simple, step-by-step instructions to guide you. Achieve professional results with ease. This versatile palette acts as your foundation and concealer, all in one. It provides buildable coverage for a seamless finish. Effortlessly create dimension and radiance. This kit helps you master the art of contouring and highlighting for a stunning look. Get that professional makeup artist finish right in your own home. It's perfect for everyday wear or special occasions. What we like? This palette offers a unique cream-based formula for seamless blending. It's also vegan and cruelty-free, making it a great ethical choice. If you're new to contouring or prefer a dewy finish, this is the perfect starting point for you. What people say. The palette has a good variety of colors. The eyeshadows are pigmented and blendable. It includes both matte and shimmer finishes. Number 4. Physicians Formula All-Star Face Palette. Introducing the All-Star Face Palette from Physicians Formula. It's designed to be your go-to for a flawless finish. Experience the incredibly smooth texture that glides on effortlessly. It feels as good as it looks. Achieve your desired look with formulas that are easy to build and blend. Perfect for any occasion. Discover a range of versatile matte and multidimensional shades. These colors are perfect for creating endless looks. Feel good about your beauty choices. This palette is proudly cruelty-free and vegan. Get a natural, radiant finish that enhances your features. It's the perfect addition to your makeup collection. What we like? Experience buildable and blendable formulas for a natural, velvety smooth look. Its versatile matte shades are perfect for everyday wear. If you prefer a subtle, no makeup look or need a reliable palette for daily use, this one is an excellent option. What people say. This palette has a great selection of colors and the pigmentation is amazing. The packaging is sleek and compact, making it perfect for travel. It includes a variety of finishes, from matte to shimmer, allowing for versatile looks. Number 3. 16 Colors Contour Palette Makeup Kit. Discover a world of color with this versatile makeup palette. It's your all-in-one solution for creating stunning looks. Effortlessly sculpt and define your features. This kit includes everything you need for a flawless contour. From subtle enhancements to bold transformations, explore 16 beautiful shades. Perfect for any festival or special event. Surprise someone special with this comprehensive makeup set. It's the ultimate gift for any beauty enthusiast. Achieve a radiant glow with the included highlighters, bronzers, and blushes. Everything you need is right here. Experiment and express yourself with this extensive contour kit. Define your best features with ease. What we like? This is your go-to for a complete powder-based contouring experience. It includes blush, highlighter, and bronzer in one convenient package. If you're looking for a versatile palette for special occasions, festivals, or travel, this all-in-one solution simplifies your makeup routine. What people say. This palette has a great selection of colors. The eyeshadows are highly pigmented and blendable. It includes a variety of finishes, from matte to shimmer. Number 2. Physicians Formula Butter Palette. Introducing the Physicians Formula Butter Palette, your all-in-one solution for a radiant glow. This versatile palette combines bronzer, blush, and highlighter for a complete look. Infused with nourishing ingredients, this palette not only enhances your features but also moisturizes your skin. Experience a blendable formula that feels as good as it looks. Achieve a seamless finish with its incredibly blendable texture. You can easily build up the color intensity to suit any occasion, from a natural daytime look to a glamorous evening style. We believe in beauty without compromise. That's why this product is proudly cruelty-free, so you can feel good about the choices you make. Enjoy a smooth, hydrated complexion with this moisturizing face powder. It helps to create a flawless base while keeping your skin comfortable all day long. Designed for effortless application, this palette makes achieving a professional makeup look simple. Get ready to shine with this essential addition to your beauty collection. What we like? Indulge in a nourishing butter blend that feels as good as it looks. This palette offers moisturizing formulas for a healthy glow. If you have dry skin or desire a radiant, hydrated complexion, this is the perfect choice for a luminous finish. What people say? This palette is amazing. It has everything you need for a full face of makeup. The eyeshadows are highly pigmented and blendable, and the blushes and bronzers are perfect for contouring and adding a healthy glow. I love the variety of shades in this palette. It's perfect for both everyday looks and more dramatic evening makeup. Number 1. 186 colors all-in-one makeup kit. Discover a complete collection designed for every look you can imagine. This all-in-one kit provides everything you need to create stunning makeup artistry. Explore an expansive palette of 186 rich colors. From subtle neutrals to bold brights, you'll find the perfect shade for any occasion. This comprehensive set includes eyeshadows, lip glosses, concealers, highlighters, contour powders, brow powders, mascara, and blush. It's your complete beauty solution. Achieve professional results with ease. The included brushes ensure smooth and precise application for a flawless finish every time. Searching for the ideal gift? This makeup kit is a thoughtful and luxurious present for Valentine's Day or any special occasion. Whether you're aiming for a natural daytime look or a dramatic evening transformation, this versatile kit empowers your creativity. What we like? Unleash your creativity with an incredible 186 colors, covering everything you need. This comprehensive kit includes eyeshadow, lip gloss, concealer, and more for a truly professional finish. If you're a makeup enthusiast, aspiring artist, or want a complete collection for endless looks, this is the ultimate all-in-one solution. What people say? The eyeshadows are highly pigmented and blendable, making it easy to create various looks. This palette includes a great range of shades, from mattes to shimmers, suitable for both everyday wear and special occasions. The packaging is sleek and compact, perfect for travel or on-the-go touch-ups. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.